Welcome guys, in this video you're going to learn how to use Google's Canvas feature. This works in any browser and does not only work in Google Chrome. So first you're going to go to canvas.apps.com and you have a couple options. You have new drawing, new from image, and then over here you have more options. So first I'm going to do new drawing. Please note that these drawings are automatically saved to your Google account, so you do not have to manually save them. So you have the color option right here. You can choose either a built-in color or a custom color. I'll stick with black. Next, you can choose the size and the opacity. And there are 5 tools. The first one is a pencil. The second one is a pen. Third one is a marker. Fourth one is chalk. And the last one is an eraser. You can undo by using this button or redo using that button. Or you can use Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-Shift-Z to undo. Over here you have the layers, you have the default layer and the background layer. You can change the background color. Over here you have save as image or send feedback. If you click on save as image, it will download the canvas. And here it is. Now let's go back and do new from image. You're going to select the image that you want. I chose the image that I just downloaded. As you can see, I can't actually edit it because it is an image. However, I can draw on top of it. And now the background layer is actually the image, which can be hidden. And then when you're done, click on Save as Image to download. You can also download the app by clicking on this plus sign right here and click on Install. And now it shows up as an app. If you want to uninstall it, go to the 3 dots right here and click on Uninstall Chrome Canvas. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.